For today's recipe, you're gonna need 1 rack of lamb. So we're gonna start off by trimming the fat, all right? Remove this extra fatty layer. Look at this, guys. It's a lot of fat. That's not good. All right, so we're gonna trim it up a little bit more. And then we're gonna portion it out into 8 pieces. We're gonna give it a nice little rinse, dry it off a little bit, and then we're gonna start seasoning, all right? So now we're just gonna flip it over like this, and we're gonna bring the knife right between the groove, and that's how you're gonna separate, the rib cage, all right? This is pretty easy, guys. Once you put the knife between the 2 bones, should be good. All right, now we're looking good. So 8 pieces. All right, guys, so next up is our seasoning. We're gonna add some cilantro, scotch bonnet, green onion, and some garlic, all right? So we're gonna blend all these fresh herbs together real quick. So we're gonna add a little bit of water to this, about a 1/2 cup. Close it up, and then start blending. I think we're good. Add some vinegar. Give it a nice little wash. All right, so right now, guys, we're gonna add some olive oil to the lamb chops. Add our blended herbs. Smelling good. And now we're gonna add our dry seasoning, all right? So we're gonna add like maybe some curry powder or turmeric powder, some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, whatever I have in the pantry. So I'm gonna add some garlic, well, this is onion powder, some garlic powder, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Add some smoked paprika. Add a little, just a 1/2 teaspoon as well. We're gonna add some Maggi, not much, about a teaspoon of that. We don't wanna overdo it. Add in the curry powder. What's this? Grace curry powder. Yeah, man. You gotta have your curry. When you make the lamb chops, add a nice flavor to it. Yeah. We're not gonna overdo it. Just a little bit. About a 1/2 teaspoon. Just for the flavor. And now, we're gonna mix it up. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna sear it for about 2 minutes per side. And then we're gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy this with a side of mashed potato, guys, today. And it's gonna be good, it's gonna be lovely. So keep watching, don't go nowhere. See you in a bit. All right, guys, so you wanna turn your stove to about a medium heat. Then we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, not much. Once our pan becomes hot, we're just gonna start searing. And like I said, you just wanna sear it for about 2 minutes per side. If you want them well done, cook them a little bit longer.